What is up, guys? And today we are doing the next part and we are opening the Kangaskhan Khan one. Now, I'm going to just have to open it very quickly. Now, just got to... Boop. Oh, that was easy. Now, we've got this, the seal. Which I struggled with the Charizard one, didn't I? Of course, the card is caught. Oh, there we go. That came out quicker. Now, we need to empty and empty. Now, so this is the Kangaskhan EX. With triple draw 3 cards. The little bit so cute. And Kindred Kick, 70 plus damage. Nice. There's the card in HD. Now, we're going to move on to the packets. Now, we've got a Breakpoint and a Breakthrough, a Steam Siege, and a Primal Clash. You don't see Primal Clashes very often. So we're going to open the Steam Siege. Last time we didn't get very good luck, did we? It's kind of annoying. Ah! Arceus didn't give us good luck. Now, we can just open packet. The packets are so hard to open sometimes. What? Why won't it open? I'm gonna have to... I'm gonna have to use my teeth. Don't do this at home, kids. That just made it worse. What? Finally! Slit! Or is it? Yes! Finally it opened. Now for the code. 2 and 3. Right, so we've got Gardevoir Spirit Link, Tangrowth, Fletchinder, Oshawott, Mario, Ponyta, Litwick, Joltik, Reverse Larvesta then, Regular Rare Talonflame. I told you Steam Siege is terrible. Now we're gonna do the Primal Clash because I there we go. It opened. Primal Clash are pretty rare. They don't do them anymore. So right. So we got a Nidorina. A weakness policy. Electric. I think I said that right. Tanglia. Skitty. Horsey. Spinder. Nose Pass. Freshwater set. Then. Oh! Mega Gardevoir EX! Oh! What on earth? Mega Gardevoir EX! Oh my! Oh! That's incredible! Oh my! What on earth is going on? Yo! Oh my god. Now we go for the Breakpoint cards. Oh! Oh, what on earth is going on right now? Yo, that is incredible. Hasn't got a great attack, but 200. Oh, Lapras, nice. Great Ball. Scizor, Spirit Link. Litzel. Staryu. Esper. Oh, that's so cute. Ferroseed. Electabuzz. Whoa. He's like doing forearm defense against a lightning bolt. Wire! Oh, reverse hit. No, that's pretty good. Then. Oh, no! No! Mega Scizor EX! Oh, my head hurts. Oh, 2 Mega EXs in like 2 packets. What on earth is going on? I'm flipping out right now. What on earth is going on? Yo, help me somebody. Oh my. Jeez. I just can't. I'm just going to open the next one. I don't even care if we literally get nothing out of this packet. If we get another EX, I will probably die. That is like the greatest. Right. Dedenne. Starmie. Skylar. Bronzor. Meowth. Zorua. Ralts. Panpour. Reverse chest spin. Then Smeagol. Fine. Oh, that's good. That's a good job. Otherwise I will literally have flipped out. Oh, what on earth is going on? Oh my. No. How is this even possible? How is that even possible? How is that even possible? I thought you were supposed to get terrible pulls. Everyone was like, oh, the Kangaskhan EX has got terrible pulls. Yeah, it's got terrible pulls. Yes, it's got terrible pulls. No, it doesn't. Okay, let's just do a recap. Okay. Kangaskhan EX, guaranteed EX. Nice. Mega Gardevoir EX. I wasn't even expecting to get an EX. Because normally when you get, like, one of these, it's like, oh, the cards are terrible. You need to get rid of it. But Mega Gardevoir EX. And then, Mega Scizor EX. I mean, like, what is going on? What is going on? It's just incredible. Oh, it feels weird that I just got 2 Mega EXs in a row. Yo. Calm down, James. Anyway, that's it for today, guys. And I will see you when I do my next video. Bye!